Welcome to Volume 4 of our Resolve to Grow series. We want to share great reasons why gardening is the perfect New Year's resolution for 2018. Please take a moment to like our video. It really means a lot. We would love to receive your feedback and thoughts, so comment below and we'll answer your questions. Now, here's why you should resolve to grow. Gardening keeps your mind sharp. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that various physical activities, gardening among them, can cut your risk of Alzheimer's by 50%. Other research finds that horticultural therapy is very engaging for dementia patients and has a positive impact on their overall well-being. According to United States law, tomatoes are vegetables. One of the most enjoyable parts of United States culture are the faces of awe when you tell someone that tomatoes are actually a fruit because they have seeds. It is technically true, and a lot of people don't know that they have fruit in their salad. However, in the late 1800s, the United States Supreme Court ruled that tomatoes are to be considered a vegetable. This was because of a trade tariff back then that taxed imported vegetables but not imported fruits. The Supreme Court ruled tomatoes a vegetable so that they could be taxed like a vegetable when imported into the country. So when you eat one, it's botanically a fruit but legally a vegetable. Veggie Fact. For quite some time, people avoided eating anything from the nightshade family because they considered them to be deadly poisonous. In addition to tomatoes, the family includes potatoes, eggplants, and peppers. However, this belief was challenged when people were eating a lot of these vegetables out of desperation during times of famine, and nothing happened. Since then, tomatoes have been quite popular. Tomatoes are a really good source of vitamin C, biotin, and vitamin K, as well as being a good source of copper, potassium, manganese, dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin B6, folate, niacin, vitamin E, and phosphorus. Getting high levels of lycopene in the diet has been thought to reduce the risk of developing certain types of cancer and is also really good for the skin. A sunflower looks like one large flower, but each head is composed of hundreds of tiny flowers called florets, which ripen to become the seeds. This is the case for all plants in the sunflower family, including daisies, yarrow, goldenrod, asters, and bachelor's buttons. You hear it all the time that fruits and veggies can make you more healthy and prevent disease. The unfortunate part is that no one tells you why. The list of reasons are way too long, but we'll go over a couple of them here. As discussed, high fiber content can help you lower cholesterol, which will help prevent all diseases that can be caused by high cholesterol. Eating fruits and veggies instead of sugary or fatty junk food can prevent weight gain, which can prevent diabetes, as well as virtually all other diseases and conditions that come from being overweight. The list goes on and on. People don't just say fruits and vegetables can prevent diseases as a marketing tactic, they actually do those things for valid reasons. Gardening gives you better self-esteem. Researchers at Kansas State studying the health effects of gardening were surprised to note that as a gardener's skills increased, their self-esteem skyrocketed along with their health. These science-backed tips can also boost your confidence. Veggie Fact. Spinach has a bad rap. Many people, particularly children, turn up their nose at the vegetable. Enter LZ Sager, whose Popeye character derives superhuman strength from a can of spinach. There's no telling how profound an impact Popeye has had on the worldwide consumption of spinach, but there have been statues erected to him in communities. Canner Allen's Vegetables even markets a Popeye brand. The story goes that spinach was chosen by Sagar based on a faulty study from the 1800s that misplaced a decimal point in estimating the iron content of the vegetable. The story has since been proven a myth, with newer claims pointing to the vitamin A content as the reason Sagar chose spinach. Spinach is rather healthy, but many people choose to boil it, which tends to remove many of the nutrients. Vitamin D increases your calcium levels, which benefits your bones and your immune system. A 2014 Italian study published on the National Institutes of Health website found that exposure to sunlight helped older adults achieve adequate serum vitamin D levels. So, outdoor activities like gardening are a perfect way to get your sunshine while pursuing a fun hobby. But don't forget the sunscreen to protect your skin and sunglasses for your eyes. Gardening makes you love veggies that you only thought you hated. Were you the kid that fed peas to your dog under the table, faked a stomach illness every time Brussels sprouts were served, ordered a salad with extra ranch, hold the lettuce? Simply growing older may not have changed your feelings about eating your greens, but growing your own vegetables just might. People who learn how to garden are not only far more likely to eat their 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, but they also enjoy eating them more. That's according to a study that was done by the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences. The effect is strongest on people who were taught gardening skills as children, but even if that ship has sailed, it's never too late to learn. Click the subscribe button and you'll be in the know with videos about gardening, decorating, and even more. For updates on everything happening at Stutzmans and a few giggles, like us on Facebook.